guys, just out of Ipswich, a suburb called Brassall, looking at a potential tile roof restoration quote for a customer. There's been some repairs done at some point in time with some pointing, probably purchased from a hardware store, something like that, but it needs a bit of professional attention. Biggest thing to note about this cement tile, it's probably 40 years old. It's lost pretty much all the factory colour, lots of black lichens and moulds on top, but when I got on the roof I found one of those, which is a Monier style flat storm retention clip. South East Queensland the last few years had some monster storms, and the biggest problems with those clips is they cause leaks. So you'll see here the watercourse, you see here is the storm retention clip, which clips on the watercourse like that. During heavy rain, all this dirt will push down there, and you actually see a lime stain of water running down there, hits the clip and drips inside the roof. Lucky for these customers, push this up a bit more, they have insulation on their ceiling, but often straight below that clip you will find drip leaks, and those drip leaks will appear like a round spot on your ceiling. A lot of jobs nowadays we're being asked to either remove those clips or sark the roof, which entails taking all the tiles, all the clips, all the battens off the roof, putting a paper anti-moisture building foil down, and then putting it all back together, which comes at a great expense. Look, if you don't have a number of clip leaks in your roof, and you do have these flat style clips, what you can do as a stopgap measure, if you're pretty handy, is get up on the roof, push the tiles up, flick these clips out, and then push them down. Look, you know, storm retention clips are great, but as long as you leave the bottom row on, pretty much the tiles aren't going to go anywhere, and it'll stop those round leaks damaging the plaster. Or secondarily, a good pressure cleaning with a whirl-away will clean a lot of the junk out of there. What I find is when you put a 3-coat roof seal and a restoration job over the top, it makes the water run faster rather than want to get diverted into those water channels and hit those clips. All the restorations that we've done over 25 plus years, removing some clips, pressure cleaning all this crap out of here, most of the time we don't get clip leaks once we've restored the roof. So not necessary to remove them all if they're not causing you massive dramas, but if they are, you've got real problems.